If you look at the left side, you can see an area called My Notices. This area gives me information about new meeting invitations, deletions, or updates on my existing events. As you can see, it has an alert on, and as you can also see, I already have 2 notices here. One of them is a meeting invitation for a project start. These notices are actionable, so I can go up and say accept, decline, or I can open the meeting invite here, instead of having to look in my mailbox to see the details such as who has been invited and so on before making my decision. So I say accept, and beyond the normal standard things, I can now choose to add extra details to my calendar entrance. It could be that I wanted to have a category called projects, or it could be on another location because I'm traveling to this person. I can also put in an alarm, let's say hours 12, okay, and press OK. Now, as you see, the notice is gone and it has been updated in my calendar. The other one here is called coordination time. Maybe I just want to decline that, but I can still choose whether or not I want to be informed about updates. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.